Let's go! Bitcoin may be about to go for a ride here in a bit. And guys, if you are involved in crypto in any way, you will want to watch this video. This is going to be really interesting. So watch the entire video from the beginning to the end. Today, we're also looking at, of course, Bitcoin on lower time frames. We're looking at Cardano. We're looking at altcoins in general. So the Bitcoin dominance and traditional markets. Welcome back everybody, my name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and also activate the bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. And can we get 3,000 likes on this video? Make sure to like the video right now, very appreciated. Okay, let's get straight into Bitcoin here because I want to show you Bitcoin on lower time frames. We are on the 4-hourly time frame. And not much has changed, guys. So we got some support on these two candles here on the orange box. And we are right now struggling with getting above the blue line at $36,000. And the orange box was, of course, at $34,400. But if you zoom out, what you can see is that we are at least making a higher low trend here. So a low here of the wick, a low here at $30,000, of course, a second low at $33,000, and a low at $34,000. So we will see, guys, but it looks like at the very least the trend may be about to shift here. And I actually talked about this yesterday, that there were some bullish signs right now in the market when it comes to GBTC starting to buy Bitcoin again and a couple of different things. So if you haven't watched this video, make sure to watch it after you are done watching this one. But all in all, we need to break $42,000. That's the name of the game right now. That is what we are watching. And as you can see, we got a lot of overhead resistance. Actually, not only one, but two orange boxes. So I want to make that clear. Now, the Lux algo is still not telling us anything in particular. The oscillator gave us the buy here yesterday or 2 days ago. So it still has not flipped bearish or anything. I mean, it's looking decent. But the Lux algo in general, it's not giving us any buying signal yet, at least. Let me flip this on and check if something has happened during the last couple of minutes. So yeah, we're not seeing that yet. I am going to update you as soon as we get that buy signal on the Lux algo. But for now, this is what we are watching. And this is what you need to pay attention to. Blue line at $35,000 or $36,000 and then breaking $42,000. You got massive support down at $30,000. Let's look quickly at the moving averages on the 4-hourly time frame as well. So flipping on the moving averages, you got the 50-period moving average here at 36,900. So this is going to act as resistance. But hey, there's another thing I want to show you, and this also has to do with moving averages, because pay attention to this. The 50-period moving average here, the orange line, is approaching the 100-period moving average here, which is the purple one. And once you get that cross, if this purple one actually crosses, or sorry, the orange line crosses the purple from the down through this and to the upside, that is going to be considered a bullish cross on, or a golden cross on the 4-hourly time frame. And I will get back to that soon, because that is something that is actually very interesting to pay attention to. Before we move on, guys, if you want to start trading yourself, you're still able to get up to $2,610 for free over on Bybit. So if you're using my link right here, you're also supporting the channel. And also Lux algo, of course, 20% discount using the code STACKER20. Let's go through these altcoins real quick. So on Cardano, we are still above the orange box here, so nothing has changed for Cardano. Expect this to be support at $1.50 and also expect this to be resistance at $1.83. So that is what we are watching when it comes to Cardano. Altcoins in general, I mean, we are at a very interesting spot right now, because you can see here that the last time we were at this vicinity, and you can see this is on the weekly time frame, and this is where we actually found support here on the Bitcoin dominance. And so Bitcoin is actually being strengthened right now, or becoming stronger compared to altcoins in general. And you can see that this acted as very strong support back in the day here as well, before we saw a consolidation into Bitcoin here. But this was actually during a bear market. So Bitcoin is naturally going to become stronger compared to altcoins in a bear market, because people are fleeing to something they think is, more sound fundamentally compared to many of these altcoins. So we will see if that is going to be the case right now as well. But I don't think that we are entering a new multi-year bear market yet. So I think that we may still have some upside left in the altcoins. But in general, I stand by what I said yesterday and I've been saying during the last couple of weeks. In general, you want to consolidate into quality altcoins. You don't want to, shoot with a shotgun. You want to aim with a sniper right now. And yeah, that is my general thesis on the altcoin market right now. But traditional markets are looking decent. I mean, we still need to take out this high here at 4,238 on traditional markets. But at the very least, you're not seeing a huge crash in the traditional market. So that is bringing confidence to Bitcoin right now and the crypto markets in general. Now, I need to show you this. So yeah, let us actually go back here and let us go to this triangle we have been talking about as well. Let me take away the moving averages. So this triangle, whether you want to draw it like this, we have broken down, we have retested it, failed the retest, and now we are continuing to go down. Or if you want to draw the triangle something like this, like they have done here on TradingView. My buddy Trading Shot is drawing the triangle like this, and he's also showing you potential outcomes. Like we could go down into a red channel. You can see right here, this red channel like this. We can also enter into a bullish channel like that. But one thing that is for sure is that we had a def cross right here on the 13th of May. And the def cross is when the 50 period moving average on the 4-hourly crosses the 100 period moving average. You can see that it crossed from the upside through it and now down to the downside. And since then, we have been going down. And that is why def crosses are usually a bearish sign. In fact, I believe I even talked about this 2 weeks ago when it happened. So you can see right here, what does this Bitcoin def cross mean? And so I was talking about the def cross right here. But since then, I mean, the Bitcoin price has been going down, but we may potentially be about to form a golden cross when they cross from the opposite side, like I was talking about previously. But what does this mean? Well, I'm going to show you right here. So you have this triangle-ish formation right here, okay? Then you have what he is saying is a bullish divergence on the RSI. Not entirely sure I agree with this, but nonetheless, let's give him the benefit of the doubt. So on the RSI, a bullish divergence right here compared to the price action. So traditionally, what has happened previously when you've had this formation and a bullish divergence and also a potential cross here on the moving averages? Well, let us go down. And we are right now at in March actually. And what you can see is that here on the RSI, you also had a bullish divergence. RSI was making higher lows here, and you had this triangle formation. You had the bullish golden cross here, and since then we went up. So we have some data points, and I want to show you this. Guys, so far, if you're enjoying the content of this video and you want to learn more about this, make sure to, yes, again, subscribe. Make sure to leave a like on this video. So now let's continue talking about what has happened previously when we have had this situation. So again, higher highs here, bullish divergence on the RSI. And also you have this triangle formation. You had the bullish cross, you had the golden cross. Since then, we have been going up. And this was in the beginning of 2021. Let us continue down. Now we are in December of 2020. You have the higher RSIs right here, triangle formation, bullish cross. We went up after the bullish cross. So let us go down to this instance. Now we are in October of 2020, higher highs on the RSI, triangle formation, bullish cross right here. So golden cross on the moving averages. Since then, we did go up. And let's continue down. Now we are in the summer of 2020. So July, higher highs on the RSI or higher lows on the RSI, triangle formation, bullish cross here on the moving averages, golden cross, and since then straight up in a straight line basically. So right here also, now we are in May of 2020. So 1 year ago, triangle formation and a cross here, and we did not shoot up. Instead, we went sideways. So this was a bit of, this is the discrepancy. So now we're seeing the first time we did not shoot up and have very bullish price action since this cross here on the 4 hourly. So let's go down to April of 2020. And so same thing here, you have this triangle formation, you have the bullish cross on the 4 hourly time frame. This time also we went up. And so the last one right here, triangle formation, we are now in March of 2020. No, we are in March of 2019 actually. Bullish cross sideways, but overall trending up here. So yeah, what do you think, guys? What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section if this is anything of importance. I am just showing you the data. This is what I do. Now you have to use that data to make up your own mind. But I am still bullish on Bitcoin. I think that, look, I am prepared for Bitcoin to go sideways for months. And people are not really prepared for that because people have been getting into crypto like I talked about on Twitter yesterday. I mean, you've been seeing 4 months of only green and people are being used to this. Now people are used to Bitcoin only going up and people are getting a shock now that Bitcoin is actually going down. And I'm prepared for a multi-year, not multi-year, but multi-month of sideways action here. So that's absolutely fine for me. Still bullish on Bitcoin, still believe it is going to 100,000, still believe it's going to 1 million eventually. So yeah, every dip is just a buying opportunity for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.